Hi everyone, I'm Chris. I'd like to take you all on a tour of the inside of the fire engine. Come along with me, and I hope you enjoy my video. This is the front cab. Let's go inside and check it out. I'm now climbing into the front. It's really high up. And this is what it looks like. And this is where the driver sits. Wow, I'm really high up. I'm gonna close the door right now. Here I am. I'm in the front. And there's some of the equipment that's used. And this is it. Look at this, it's amazing. This is the steering wheel. They have an onboard computer. You can see how high it is. I would like to say thank you to all the firemen, and thank you for protecting all of us. And I thank you for that. All right, let's go check the back cab and see what it's like. It's pretty far down to get out. Now we're gonna go into the rear cab. We're gonna step up where the men sit. You can see they have their gear, helmets. Now we're inside the rear. This is amazing. All the different equipment that they have, and they stay here in the back. They sit. Let me show you the equipment that they have. They have their oxygen tanks, and they have their fire gear here, their helmets. And we're out here in Tottenville, Staten Island. You could fit 4 firemen sitting. These are the seats. Onboard computer where they get information about the fire. This is so amazing being back here. I'm really impressed. I hope you enjoyed my tour. Once again, I would like to thank all the firemen around the world who protect us and keep us safe. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my video. I'm Chris. Have a great day, and always respect the firemen. And next time you see a fireman, thank him. I'm Chris the Hobby Guy, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Have a great day. And here are some of the firemen here. Gentlemen, I would like to thank you for all your service. Remember everyone, the firemen here to protect you. And always give respect to the firemen. And whenever you see them, say thank you like I just did. All right guys, take care.
Take care.